Very good morning to all of you. Good morning. Okay. So today I will take your English class, English grammar. And the chapter number 18 has already completed. And today I will do chapter number 19. Good morning. Very good morning to all of you. Chapter number 19 today. From today I will start chapter number 19. So open page number 49. Chapter number 19, the chapter name is Go, Goes, Do, Does. Go, Goes, Do, Does. Open page number 49. Page number 49, okay? All of you open page number 49. So let's understand where we can use go, where we can use goes, and where do and where does. Okay, and in the yellow colored chart at the beginning of the chapter, beginning of the page, you can see that there are clearly mentioned where we can use go, goes, do or does. We can see over here that I, we, you, like always take I, we, you, always takes go with it. Because, okay, I will just tell you about we later. You always takes go with it, and other the subjects that take go with it, that is the plural forms. They, we, it kind of any kind of a name, and 2 or 3 names. We can see if I write Lisa and Aman, like 2 names together. So what is more than one? That is plural. With all the plural forms will take, go. Okay, so I, you, obviously that is a singular or plural, whatever, it doesn't matter. I, you always take go with it, and with all the plural forms, they, we, or any kind of a names that are not one, that is more than one, they take go with it. Okay, and in the same case, goes that are singular in forms, means not I or, and yes, with this I would like to tell you that with this also I would like to tell you that these forms again takes do with it. So go, this I and you will take go, and all the plural forms will take go, and as the same way I and you will take do, and all the plural forms will take do with it. Okay, so this is how you come to understand that where we will use go and where we will use do. Okay, all the same cases, I, you will take go and do, and all the plural forms will take go and do. Okay, and like the opposite way, I'm erasing it, like the opposite way, goes and go will take in case of he or she or any kind of a name, like singular in name, that will take always does and goes. Okay, all the singular forms all the singular forms will take does or goes. Okay, understood all of you? So all the singular forms will take does or goes, and all the plural forms will take do and go. Clear? Like this is how you can understand that where we will use go, goes, do and does. Always keep it in mind that I and you will always take go and do. Okay? And all the plural forms will take go and do. And like the and as the opposite way, all the singular forms will take goes and does. Okay? Clear? That's how you will come to know about this. So can we start with the exercises? I'm erasing the board. So can we begin with the exercises? Okay. So let's start with the exercises. B part number 1. I will just write the answers. B part number 1. She, and the options are speak or speaks. Very good English. What it will be? Yes. She speaks. Why? Because she is a singular form. So, speaks. Speaks will be the correct option. Number 2. My father teach or teaches me new words. Yes. Here father is also singular form, so it will take teaches. Number 3. They make or makes a lot of noise in the class. They, yes. So they is a plural form, so it will take make. They make a lot of noise in the class. Make. Number 4. A river flow or flows near our village. It will be flows. River is a singular form, so it will be flows. Number 5. We cross or crosses the river by a boat. We cross. Yes, we is the plural form, so we cross. Number 6. Our parents love or loves us. Our parents love. Yes, parents is the plural form, so it will be love. All the plural forms will not take s or es with it. Okay, up to the examples you perhaps come to know that all the singular forms will take s or es, and all the plural forms will not take s or es. Keep it in mind very well. Okay, so all the plural forms will not take s and es. All the singular forms will take s or es. Okay, so now let's do by remembering these points. Okay, number 7. The baby drink or drinks milk every day. The baby is a singular form, so as I have told you that singular forms will take s with it. So the baby drinks. Yes. Number 8. Our school open or opens at 7 in the morning. Our school opens is the singular form, so I have told you that singular forms will take s with it, so opens. Number 9. You remember or remembers the phone numbers of your friends. Remember, because I and you will always will never take s. I and you will never take s with the verbs with it. Okay, I and you, it is in singular forms, it is in plural, that doesn't matter. So I and you will never take s with it. Okay, so as I have told you that I and you will always take go and do that doesn't have s or es with it. Like this is how also in these cases also I and you will never take s or s verbs with it. Okay, so it will be remember. And number 10, I love and loves to watch cartoon movies on TV. Yes, I love. Here also I never take s or es verbs with it, so it will be love. Okay. Okay, so all of you have done it in your book. Will I erase now? All of you have done it. I will do the next page, page number 50. Will I erase now? Okay, very good. So I'm erasing it. Okay. Page number 50. Come to page number 50 and also you can see some works there. C part. Number 1. That is, you can see it is saying that fill in the blanks with the correct form of the doing words. Fill in the blanks with correct form of the doing words. So by seeing the subjects we need to fill in the blanks with the correct forms. Okay. So we dash to play chess. In the bracket the word is like. So we is a plural form, so it will be like as it is. Yes. Number 2. Mrs. Menon always dash an umbrella with her. It is also will be what? Carries. Because Mrs. Menon is singular form. Singular forms will take s or es verbs with it. So it will be carries. Yes. Number 3. They dash to God in the morning. They is a plural form, so it will be as it is. Pray. Pray to God in the morning. Number 4. A cobbler dash our shoes. Cobbler is a singular form. A cobbler is a singular form, so it will be mends. Yes. Nidhi always dash her hands with soap. Nidhi, here is Nidhi is in singular form, so it will be washes. Nidhi is in singular form, so it will take washes. Number 6. Shubhas dash the car carefully. Shubhas is also a singular form, so it will be drives. Yes. Drives. The students dash white shirts. The students dash white shirts and white shorts in summer. Students, plural form, so it will be as it is. Where? Where it will be as it is. Number 8. Mr. Mehta dash vegetables in his kitchen garden. Mr. Mehta dash vegetables in the kitchen garden. So Mr. Mehta is in singular form, isn't it? So it will be grows. Yes. Grows, because Mrs. Mehta is in singular form. That's why it will be grows. Okay. So today from up to page number 50 I have done, and page number 51 I can do in your offline class or in your online class also. So follow both the classes. Okay. And now I will take your present. All of you write P or present in the class. Okay, we like to play chess. Number 1. Number 2, Mrs. Menon always carries an umbrella with her. Number 3, they pray to God in the morning. Number 4, a cobbler mends our shoes. Number 5, Nidhi always her washes her hands with soap. Number 6, Subhash drives the car carefully. Number 7, the students wear white shirts and white shorts in summer. And number 8, Mr. Mehta grows vegetables in his kitchen garden. Okay, now I will take your present. No one will leave the class until I complete, or you will be absent. Okay students, I have taken your present, and today I have done up to page number 50, and page number 51 I may do in your offline class or in your online class also. So concentrate on both the classes. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you.